Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I am here with day 29 of the No New November Duck Journal Challenge. Sorry about that. And day 29 is old bedding cover tie. Okay, let's see. Let's get the old bedding out. Which this is an old bedding, an old sheet that I cut apart, and we are going to cut this into a tie. With the magic of YouTube, it's done. Okay, so this is my tie. This is going to be my tie for my journal. Right now, I have a rubber band around it. I'm going to keep the rubber band there, but I'm going to, this kind of stretches. So I'm going to take this and do this. It's going to be my tie, like so. Sorry about that. Just like that. So, this was easy peasy. So, what all I done, I'm going to show y'all what I done. Okay? All I done basically was just like this. Where's my skinnazers? Snip that and just rip it for the length I wanted it. Okay? This one might be a little bit longer. Let's try it. Okay? I think it is a little bit longer. Let's give it the whirl. So what I'm going to do is try to put my journal in the center of the okay, we have the center here. So what I'm going to do is just pull it open, and here's my journal. Take it, cross it over like so, and like so. And we can, sorry about that, we can trim these if we want, or we can do another little bow. Let me get these strings out of here. That way we have a double bow. Okay, so that is my bow made out of old bedding. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also check out Mrs. Gigi's channel for the prompts and her projects with the prompts. So please be safe, be caring, be positive, be blessed, be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.